Time warp! Ivory-Billed Woodpecker, hello!
Hello, guys. Nice to meet you. This morning, the tree I used to live in fell down. That's why I called you to help me build a new one.
Where would you like to build your new home?
Then I guess we'll have to go to a different forest?
Yeah.
In that case, Dinoman, call the Dino Wing right away!
All right, got it.
Come on, let's go take a look right away!
Wow.
Wow, there are so many big trees here. How about it? Can you find any trees you like?
Well, to be honest, not really.
What kind of tree do you like?
I like big, sturdy trees with lots of bugs.
Woodpeckers peck the trees to eat the bugs inside. That's how the trees stay healthy, you know.
Found it! A perfect tree to build my new house.
Wow, you're really fast!
Woodpeckers can peck the tree more than 20 times in 1 second.
Dinoman, power up!
Whoa! Ah!
Ivory-Billed Woodpecker!
I brought you some moss and flowers.
Thank you so much. I just finished pecking the tree. Shall we decorate it now? Ta-da!
Wow, it's so cool. You're really the best.
Great job, Ivory-Billed Woodpecker!
I was able to do it because of you guys. Thank you for helping me build this wonderful home.
Another day,
Another mission complete!